Well, you know I can't reach that far, right?
You can see I've already done it.
You're gonna do it for me?
I'm just showing you
I mean, the edges where I can't reach.
how I do it, alright? So, you know, you wipe one time, then wipe on the other side, one time, clean it out. You start going diagonally. You can see where I started here. Wipe one time, flip, wipe one time, rinse. One time, flip it over. One time, rinse. Now I want you to wipe each one twice. So I got that once, go ahead one more time. I'm doing it a long way, so I'm getting more. More removal instead of more area. So this is one on that. Do it one more time, the same one. One time. Do that. Rinse. Repeat. Might come this direct, I don't know. Always wear gloves. That's it. That's an important thing. You always want to wear rubber gloves so your hands don't turn to concrete. Yeah. Next, we'll show you how to put it down.
No, do you have to wipe it again after this, or is this the final wipe?
No, we'll wipe it
One more time?
again, at least. We'll see. The double wipe, it's going to get nearly clean. Still have a haze. But it's like doing it twice and more. According to me, since, you know, most of the time I'm one person, it would take too long to do the whole thing without it drying permanently to the tile. So I have to do it in small sections. Believe me, I ruined it before.
So would you do the whole floor and it dried and
It won't come out.
it won't come off?
It will not come out of the texture. It's poignant. That happened well over 30 years ago, I'm sure.
Were you working for a company, or were you just doing somebody's house for them?
Let's see, I was learning.
You were learning it. What'd you do? Go work and not know what to do?
Just figured it out as a win. It was family, so it was
Oh, it was family.
okay.
Okay, Andy, thanks.